Okay, so good day everyone. We're the fifth group from UNS 12 MIT, and we welcome you to our first ITP or Impact Lab presentation. We are honored to have you with us as we present our findings and of course our proposed product for our Rizal. But before all of that, let us first introduce ourselves. My name is Melea Magalianes and I am the leader of the group.
And I'm Pauline Magdugo, and I did some part of UCSP, PPG, and oral communication parts.
My name is Agatha Magno, and I did the PPG and oral parts. Hi, I'm Resma Joy Mago, and I did the PPG, UCSP, and oral parts.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vince Mansala, and I did the UCSP and the ISS.
I am Jasmine Moscosa, and I did UCSP and the ISS part.
And hello to all of you. I am John Lawrence Nikinto, and I did some of the USSP and the ISS parts. Let me first introduce you to the town that we chose to study, Angono Rizal, the art capital of the Philippines. It is a vibrant community where culture, creativity, and environmental consciousness converge. Our community profiling reports explores that the town's social behavior, waste disposal practices, and consumption habits, aiming to understand the dynamics that shape this unique community.
Okay, so first let's introduce Angono Rizal, the art capital of the Philippines. Angono Rizal has a strong sense of unity and cultural identity among residents. It is a great foundation for them to have an environmental initiative. Residents there recognize the importance of recycling, showing their willingness to adopt in sustainable practices. However, challenges arises in implementing proper recycling practices, highlighting the need for better systems and education. While the effective waste management are in place, there is still a room for improvement.
So let's move to that. Moving on the survey that we conducted, we're excited to share with all of you the result of our community profiling report on Angono Rizal. Our survey revealed some interesting insights into the town's social behavior and waste management practices. One of our key findings was that many locals in Angono are not aware of the project or being implemented in their barangay. In fact, out of the 24 responses, only 3 people were socially aware of these initiatives. This highlights the need better communication and need community engagement.
On a positive note, our survey also shows that locals are aware of the importance of recycling. But when we asked about the most recyclable waste, many locals identified that plastics are the top of their list, followed by paper or cardboard, and then organic waste. It suggests that the community has knowledge about what can be recycled, but there's still room for education and awareness.
Additionally, some barangays in Angono have demonstrated high levels of solid waste management practices, including segregation, reduction, reuse, recycling, and proper disposal. These findings provide valuable insight into the strengths and weaknesses of our community waste management practices.
But despite the programs like Globo Reciclo, limited facilities and knowledge on proper recycling in their progresses, the town-rich cultural heritage impacts waste generation, presenting both opportunities and challenges. Effective waste management requires tailored approaches that resonate with the community's values and practices.
Our product proposal to address Angono's recycling challenges. We propose the recycling prototype, an innovative recycle bin that combines arts and functionality. Designed with artistic elements reflecting Angono's identity as the art capital of the Philippines. This bin will promote proper waste disposal through partnership with local government, art school, and community organizations. We aim to increase recycling rates, foster community engagement, and promote sustainability.
Our product recycle bin project is guided by Republic Act number 9003, the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, which promote waste separation, recycling, and composting. And also our product aims to promote and improve the access of recycling in Angono.
The Recycle Bin project will engage the community through events and art contest workshops that promote proper waste segregation and raise awareness about our 9003. Through informational campaigns, we aim to highlight the importance of waste management and recycling benefits. We expect this project to increase recycling rates, improve compliance with waste law, to encourage stronger community and participation.
The Recycle Bin project directly reflects the objectives of RA 9003 by promoting community education and awareness on proper waste management. It fosters a sense of responsibility among residents, encouraging active participation in sustainability efforts.
Republic Act 9003, it provides a framework for effective waste management here in the Philippines, but its implementation in Angono Rizal reveals some notable gaps, such as limited recycling facilities and lack of awareness hinders progress. So of course, our project Recycle Bin addresses these gaps by having an interactive approach to waste disposal.
The Recycle Bin project is grounded in social constructivism, recognizing that waste management is shaped by social and cultural context. By challenging conventional notions, it fosters community ownership of waste and influence behavior towards sustainable practices. The Recycle Bin recreates community values and priorities, promoting a culture of sustainability and accountability. Through this approach, it encourages ownership and accountability among community members.
Angono's waste disposal pollutes the environment, harming health and ecosystem. 30% of waste is not segregated properly, with 500 tons sent to landfill annually. Recycle Bin tackle this by making waste segregation fun and engaging. Made from recycled materials, it promotes reduction and conservation through design. By using social constructivism, it fosters positive behaviors and community ownership, resulting in cleaner, healthier environment.
Our target audience are parents, students, and professionals who value sustainability and eco-friendly decor.
Introducing Recycle Bin, ideal for recycled trash bin made from plastic bottles and cardboard. Our product gives an eco-friendly solution for waste disposal. It's also fun and educational for kids and students, helping them reduce plastic and cardboard waste.
Its colorful design motivates proper waste disposal habits, making it a valuable tool for teaching children and teenagers about the importance of recycling and waste management. With the Recycle Bin, you get a nature-saving and environmentally friendly product that makes a positive impact. That Recycle Bin is more than just a product, it's a solution for a cleaner world.
But beyond this design, the Recycle Bin evokes emotion by making recycling a playful task that children can enjoy, while also representing our collective aspiration for a better environment, and it's backed by reason. Recycling can reduce landfill waste by up to 70% and significantly can cut down pollution.
And after that, thank you for listening. With the research and analysis that we've made, we have identified the need for effective waste management. In the area, I am pleased to say that our group has come up with a practical solution, a specially recycled trash bin that can also help reduce waste while also increasing recycle rates and promote sustainability in the community. We are now open for the questions that you have provided.
did you choose cardboard as the main material for your like Recyclabil? Tama ba?
Recyclabil po.
Recyclabil. Okay. Why the plastic bottles are used only as part of the design?
So we chose the cardboard because it's one of the most durable material that we can use. Because if we depended here on the plastic bottles, it can shorten its lifespan. So we chose to prioritize the cardboard material and just use these plastic bottles on the outside for its outer base and for protection.
My follow-up question is, saan gawa yung cardboard?
Cardboard po siya sa mga carton po. We got it from sa sari-sari store lang po kasi po free lang po siya.
Okay, so wala kayong nilagay, pinanaw dun sa cardboard?
Wala po. Nilagyan po lang po namin siya ng cartolina for design.
Okay, then sabi nyo is ilalagay nyo siya sa mga public places tulad ng markets.
Yes.
So aware naman kayo na laging pasado sa market, public market.
To be specific lang po, we meant markets like yung grocery stores po so that walang wet waste na mapupunta po sa namin, sa trash bin namin.
Did you mention it in the PowerPoint?
Sadly, no. We just generalize it by saying markets.
Okay. So next one is, do you aware that you can use bottles as the foundation of your trash bin?
Yes, we're aware, and that's actually our initial idea for this trash bin. But again, we worried that if we used it, if we push to do it, we might shorten its lifetime, so lifespan. So we just chose the cardboard.
How?
What do you mean how?
How the plastic shortened the lifespan?
Because if we use it like this, then it's just short and there's no support for it.
You can, I don't know if you are aware that upcycle something like that. So, common materials in upcycling is plastic bottles. Then, you can make or create a chair using plastic bottles. So, parang ipagpapatungkol mo yun na yung plastic bottles para maging mas matasya. Okay? Then, pag i-integrate yung plastic bottles, is magiging matibay naman siya. Okay? And especially, yung use is 1.5. So yung foundation din sa ilalim is matibay. Okay? Then you can put something inside the bottles like water or kaya lupa. Okay? For sand. Para maging matibay siya. So mas durable pa rin yung plastic compared dun sa cardboard. Kasi once na nabanggayan ng mga students, sabi nyo is students or mga, did you mention children?
Yes.
So, alam naman natin, children is sobrang likod. So, tendency kapag mag-decide, ang ginagawa nila is pinaglalaroan nila. So, tendency na mayuti niya. So, hindi siya totally durable. So, mas durable pa rin yung plastic. Okay, pero thank you for that answer.
Colonel 2. So you have mentioned here that your trash bin is cheaper.
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
how do you say so?
Because our trash bin is made of plastics, and as you can see, and you know, the plastics are free everywhere. You can see it everywhere, and the carton that we use is free from the sari-sari store. So it is a cheap product that we can use and can provide to people around the world, around the Philippines, without involving money because it's free.
So no money.
Yes.
Are you sure?
I think sa design, but it's not all. Not all the product need money.
So how much to produce that?
I think 50 pesos is enough because is for design and glue only that you can use.
So the overall product.
The overall product. If I can, yes.
Okay. So follow-up question. So you also mentioned here that throwing in your recycle bin is fun. How is it fun?
Because as you can see, our recycle bin is flipping. We have pedal here. We have pedal here. If you push it, it can be flip up.
So that's the fun part.
Yes.
Your
I think yes.
recycling. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, the next question for Magno. So how can you solve the problem, for example, did you place this trash bin inside or outside the public markets?
Inside po.
Okay, how about if you put outside? And what other solution can you provide so that the trash bin becomes durable in rains?
We can cover up po with plastic.
Okay, plus. Okay, so thank you. My follow-up question is, for example, your product will gets damaged. So nasira siya or nagkaroon ng something crack. Okay? Then how will you monitor that? If your product is located in different places in Amon.
Pwede po pa.
My question is, how can you monitor if your product gets damaged and your product is located in different places in Amon? For example, schools, public markets, public places, and so on.
By conducting reports po or surveys.
How? Can you give me a specific scenario how you conduct that? How you conduct surveys or okay, Magno will answer that question. How you monitor that trash bin if it gets damaged? Sabi mo is through survey. So how? Can you give me a specific scenario how to conduct that survey? Okay, how about Marco? Meg, you will answer my question.
Ano po? Ano po? For example po, nasa
Say it.
For example po, we can send a form or link po in school or market po
Then,
for us to know po.
so, kanino siya isa-send? Meron ba kayong contact information dun sa mga tao na nandun? For example, ako, taga-dun ako. So, do you have any contact information?
For a barangay po or SK officials po.
Okay, so through them. So, using SK chairman, SK officials. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So, ang PPG part, so what law is being implemented in Amono related to your project?
Republic Act 9003 po.
9003. So, it's a statute. It's a national law. How about the localized one? Is there any? Localized law or ordinance from Amono in regards of waste management?
Ano po, we didn't have a local law.
Sorry?
We didn't have the law po, but
Ay lang ba yung nakita
Pero
nyo?
sige po.
Yung national law lang yung nakita nyo?
Opo.
Wala si Amono. Wala siyang waste management
Wala po.
ordinance.
Hindi po na.
Ako lang. Actually, meron. No? Search ko nga lang. So, lumabas agad. Okay, question ko na lang is, how will your project or yung recycling help the Amono residents on sa pagsunod sa batas na ito sa waste management? How will it help them?
Ano po?
Actually, the ordinance 08561 of Amono, so nakastate doon segregation and violation. Okay, so provisions lang yan. So how will your product help Amono residents? In regards of following the ordinance or the law? PPG part lang yun.
So, paano ko po sila ma-encourage?
Okay.
Paano ulit po ng ano?
Ano yung connection? Sige na lang. Ano yung connection ng law na sinake ninyo sa project ninyo?
Ano po? It support rules on proper waste disposal and environmental protection po.
Environmental protection. Anything else?
Ano po?
Okay lang. Okay.
Parang sa alam. So my question is, what makes your recycling different from ordinary trash bins in the market?
Our trash bin po, it's made of ano po, plastic bottles po and cardboard po.
So that's all.
The difference po, because this is DIY po, and the original trash bin po is made from ano po, made from plastic.
How about the trash bin is also a DIY? For example, I have a DIY trash bin like yours. So what is the difference of this trash bin to your trash bin?
So ano po, creativity and mechanism po.
My creativity and mechanism. Okay, so how can you sure that your mechanism will not be functionally well? So function well. For example, hindi ko siya nasira agad. Like for example, nasira ba siya agad? Like what's na ginagamit? Do you have inside the gate po?
Can I?
Yes, sir.
The only downside po is the materials po. Yun lang po yung hindrance niyo po. Like the mechanism works well. Like there's a flap that can activate the trapdoor, but it's only made out of hardware. So it lacks the ano po. It lacks the durability because when it comes to weight po, that's the only problem po. So probably papers na po yung pwede.
Okay, so papers. So yung 20 po.
Okay, for Ms. Cosa. So imagine you are a contractor.
Ghost project.
I'm the mayor of Angono. I will give you 10 million to supply every part of Angono. How would you convince me? Ayoko ng kickback.
Sir, can you repeat your question po?
Ano, bibentahan mo lang ako. Meron pang kalaban, meron pang tatlo pang kalaban. Sa contractor. Kasi ikaw na magpe-present sa akin. Dala, bentahan mo lang ako. Ikaw lang marinig. Bibenta ko lang siya, proposal yan.
How about Mansala? Do you have any idea how to convince your mayor?
Sir, pwede po i-answer po ng Tagalog.
Pero syempre dapat yung mga English. O lima ng sala and Ms. Cosa. Okay, for Ms. Cosa, rate your product 1 to 10 and why?
Then po, affordable po siya. Tapos, eco-friendly din po.
Again? No?
10 po.
10. Pero di mo kayo benta. Thank you. For Manansala, my question is yours.
Okay, my question is, do you have any plans to make another garbage trash bin or recycling project? That is for the different kinds of garbage. Like what you said, Nikita said, this is more just picture. So do you have any plans?
We'll do another trash bin po. So, yung siguro po yung mas mahaba po yung lifespan po ng
Okay. How and what materials will you use?
By using ano po, hard materials na po siguro.
Example.
Like ano po, hard plastic po.
I think.
I think that's it for my meeting. Thank you.